Mommy.
What are you doing? Look at your hair. Your hair looks so shagala bagala. Shaggy. Bad hair day for baby Siobhan here. So hello guys. It's a beautiful day. It's Amos in motion here, and I'm here with baby Siobhan. She's enjoying what is that you are eating, mama? What is this? What is this? What is this? Eh? Mommy, so you say the name. What is that? Nini? She has been shouting the name, but right now she's not speaking. So she's enjoying popcorns. Say popcorns. Okay guys, okay. I'm sorry, my camera just dropped. My phone, that is. It's dropped. But I'm positioning it once again. So it's a beautiful day. It's evening time here in Nairobi, Kenya. And today I want to do a very different kind of video because I'm not moving around. I'm seated, you know. It's like I'm doing a live stream, but it's not a live stream. So welcome to today's video. If you are new here, consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Mom, you want to say something? Yeah, it's birthday day for baby Siobhan. She's looking shagla bagla. But we are going to make her hair very soon, probably this coming weekend. So today's on Thursday, and I don't know. Okay, a message just popped in. That's what I was looking at. Mom, nipatie popcorn, give me. Maybe everyone feeds daddy with popcorns. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, maybe Siobhan is not selfish. She likes to share. Sindio, mommy? Sharing is what? Sharing is caring. Say sharing is caring. I don't know what happens with Siobhan when she comes to the cameras. Nowadays she doesn't speak. She can only play around, but she can't speak. Yeah, which is contrary to what she has been doing in the past. So it's a beautiful day. I want to update you guys about a few things. So this video is not going to be long. Somebody's calling, so I will have to cut this. Sorry guys for that. Somebody called me. So today's video is about me buying a camera, and I'm in a dilemma currently because one of you guys sent me $100 to buy a camera. What are you doing, mommy? I was saying one of you guys sent me $100 to buy a camera, and I want to thank you so much, mom, for supporting. I'm not going to mention her name because she said I should keep her name private, so I want to mention her name here, but I know she'll be watching this. So thank you so much for sending me the money. And also another supporter right here sent me $25 this week, early this week, and I'm really grateful, mom, for the $25 you sent. So the $25 that actually I received from one of you, I added it to the $100 that was sent for the camera, and currently I have $125 for the camera. Yes, so I'm happy for that. Thank you, and I'm so grateful. I went to, like, I was window shopping for the cameras, for the GoPros especially, and I realized GoPros want around $270 to $300. A good GoPro, like GoPro from 11, 12, 13 is way more expensive, so around GoPro 11 or GoPro 12 needs like minimum $270, but it needs something like $300. I can get a very nice GoPro 12. So I've been, thinking, what should I do? So I want also to put this out to you guys to give me advice on what I should do next, because I'm stuck somehow. I was hoping I could buy that camera end of this month, like before we start the other month, June. But unfortunately the money is not enough for a camera, so I'll be keeping that money. That's what I was thinking. I keep the money, and then I'll be saving, adding to it. And also, if other guys want to support, if you'll be watching this, you are free to do so. You can support through my buy me a coffee. You can buy me a coffee. The link is on the description. You can check it out, and also I'm going to pin it on the comment section, so you can check on the comments. The link is pinned right there of buy me a coffee, and also my mobile money transfer number is right there. The M-Pesa number will be there, so you can use that number actually to send through M-Pesa, through Sendwave, through another mean that even how do you call it, Western Union. If you want to use Western Union, you can add just as little as $5, $10, $50, $100. Even you can send the $200 remaining, and will be good to get a camera. So I'm appealing to you guys who will be watching this, kindly support, because I've been very, there's this excitement in me when I know I'm going to get something that I've been really deliberating to get, or praying for, or something that I really needed, or something that I really need. When I know that I'll be getting that thing, I really get excited, and anxiety kicks in. And currently I never wanted to put this out this way, but because I want to get the camera very soon, so that I can start doing street vlogs. It's getting so difficult of late to do vlogs using a phone, because there's a very high rise of cases of theft and mugging in the streets, especially with some guys coming in groups with motorbikes, and they snatch your phone, even from your pockets, even from the ladies who are carrying their phones in the bags. They even go with the whole bag. So it's been crazy in the streets, and I'm finding it very difficult to put out my phone and video, or do a video in the streets. So with a small camera like a GoPro, it will enable me to do videos seamlessly, without much struggle, without much worries, because it's something very small that I can hold on my hand and hold it tightly using the handle. So there's little chances of somebody coming to snatch the GoPro. But with the phone, it's so risky, because there's no way you can hold your phone tightly when you're filming. It's somehow easy for somebody to snatch. So that's the main reason why I'm appealing to you guys to support. and if possible by the beginning of June, I'm hoping and I'm praying that I'll be having a GoPro camera. Yeah. And also I saw somebody saying that GoPros are not good in with the quality of videos, but I think I've seen so many people using GoPros, and they're doing nice and very good videos. So somebody was suggesting an Osmo DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but that camera is crazily expensive. I cannot buy that at this moment. Maybe later in life. Yeah, it's crazily expensive. I saw it's as from 80,000 Kenyan shillings. That's like 80,000, around $700, $600 to $700. That's a lot of money. So for now we will go for a GoPro, or there's another camera called DJI Action 4 or Action 5. Action 5 is way expensive. It's like a GoPro 13. Action 4 is something manageable, like GoPro 12 or 11. So I think that's where I might reach, at this moment. But yeah, there are good cameras with good quality that shoot good quality footages, but again, the economy is not allowing. The pocket is not pocketing, so we have to go with what we can manage. So guys, if you are watching this, you are from Kenya, you are from the US, you are from Jamaica, you are from India, because those are the countries that I see on my when I check my analysis on the viewers, the people who are watching me. Those are the major countries that actually I have viewers from. Also South Africa. So if you're from those countries that I've mentioned, or you are watching this and you're not from that country, you are free to support. It's a free will. Yeah, you do something for a brother. Yeah, do something for your brother here. So that I can be able to support my family also, also feed my kid here. Yeah, so that's how life is. It's good to support somebody when they can see you, they can see the support, they can appreciate even that support that you're offering, instead of waiting for somebody to get maybe sick, or somebody to, God forbid, somebody to go. You know what I mean by that. For you to support, that's not the best time to support somebody. The best time to support someone is when they're alive and kicking like this, Yeah. So guys, I told you this video is not going to be long. That's what's happening currently. And yes, an update about my business. We started the business. We have actually registered everything. Ma'am, no, stop. We have registered everything. We got we registered the name of the business. We registered what else did we register? We got a license to run the business, and also a permit, county permit. So here, before you start a business, you have to have those things. You have to register your business, and you pay for registration. Also get a permit, you pay for that permit. So we have done all those things, and now starting this June, we'll be doing our first delivery of meat. Yeah, the business is up. The business is called Butcher Says. So if you're watching this and you're from Nairobi, you can also support. That's another way actually you can support me, because if the business grows, I can save more and more for me to get that camera. It's not a must you give a donation. No, you can support the business and By supporting the business, you are supporting me still to get the camera. So you are welcome to support in whichever way you can, and thank you so much. Mami, what are you doing? Unajiangalia ukifanya nini huko? What is that you are doing? Why are you licking your fingers? Maybe Siobhan doesn't have molars and premolars, so she chews the popcorns using the front teeth because it's what she has. It's the only teeth that she has. She doesn't have molars and premolars to use to chew the popcorns or even any other food, so she uses her front teeth. You see what she's doing? That's her. Look at her sweater. Very beautiful sweater. Mom, what's drawn on your sweater? Actually, I bought this sweater from some mama who used her hands to knit it. Yeah, looks so nice, so beautiful, and it's heavy, so during this cold season it's actually helping a lot. So guys, that will be the end of our video today. Thank you so much for watching the video till this moment, and I'm planning this coming weekend I'll be doing a video, at least here in my locality, places where I feel like it's safe to use a phone to make a video. And yes, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification button, because you are not ready for our weekend video. You are not ready, I'm telling you. So bye guys, till our next episode. Bye bye. Mommy, say bye bye. Yes, say bye bye, not just waving. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, that is it guys.
Look, I know I might be sleepy, but sometimes with you I get the one feeling. Waking up, hearing you breathing, saying hello, good morning. Hey Norman, what you doing? Making music. Ooh, can I hear it? It's about you and how you're amazing.